Welcome to LALKOVO. Today we have a classic two-story southern home, a real Bulgarian classic. Elhovo region, it's been hot property since the early 2000s. These days, however, it's very slim pickings if you're on a tight budget, and we're only months away from Euro adoption. So this is a classic Elhovo build, bricks up top, stone down below, original interiors with a modern touch. New doors and a huge chunk of all-you-can-do land. Garden sink out front and a well. And welcome home. So let's check out the bedroom. What you see is what you get. Nothing more and nothing less. Nice views right over your land. Wow, they sure don't build them like this no more. Original ceilings, original windows. Sunny, spacious, and with amazing views. This room is perfect for everything. Guys, what are we gonna do with this room? Let me know in the comments below. And stepping back onto the beautiful balcony and a big ripe slice of the south. A crumbly old outbuilding range out back. What more do you need? And a cozy downstairs bedroom. Only one more room to go. Spider webs everywhere. We will need a flashlight. Obviously, it's a fixer-upper. It's a blank canvas material, so do whatever you want with it. LALKOVO. Last house from the south, the first one to slap down the deposit, takes the whole lot.